You like looking at yourself? Yeah, that's right. You see yourself? You see yourself? Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that smile. Beautiful. Oh, you want to see yourself a little bit closer? There we go. Oh, a little gassy. Oh, you want the stuffed animal. That's fine. You can have the stuffed animal. There you go. You see me? I see you. Move this bottle out of our way. I see you. There we go. I see you. Ooh. Mwah. Mwah. Kisses. That's right, kisses. Okay, peekaboo. Oh. Oh, you love the stuffed animals, don't you? You love the stuffed animals. That's right. See the eyes? See the eyes? Where's Serenity? Where's Serenity? Serenity, where are you? There you are. Where's Serenity? Where is she? There she is. There you are. You want the stuffed animal again? You want the stuffed animal again? See, that's the nose. That's the nose. See the eyes? See the eyes? Eyes? You have eyes too. Eyes. Mommy has eyes. My eyes. You see the eyes? That's the nose. Oh. Yeah, Mommy went to the hospital with that one. I know. You want it off of me? Okay. Let me ask. I really don't know her name. I'm not good at names because it's been a while. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? I know, I'm about to get it off of my arm now. You don't like that on my arm. Yeah, I know, I'm trying to get that off too. Can't do it without the scissors though. Excuse me? I might have to go around. I don't think she can hear me even though she's watching me. Come on. Let's get that off of my arm. Come here. off of my arm. See? Off of my arm. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Ready? Up, up, up. Down, down, down. You like that? Here. You always want to see yourself. Hold on. Let me block that so you don't be seen. It's like she likes looking at the, and then I'll play back the clips of when we play with each other, and she'll start laughing.
Oh yeah, they love seeing themselves.
She's even posing now when she's watching. That is so cute. She waved at you. She's like, bye-bye. What? What is it? You want to do it again? Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Oh, up, up, down, down. Don't worry, I got you even though your legs slid. You ready to be wrapped? You keep playing with my boobs like you're wanting to suck on them. You tried to suck on them earlier. I know I'm leaking, but that's because my milk is coming in. You want some milk? Okay. Let me take this off after I'm done feeding you. Would you like more? That's right. That's right. Go ahead. There we go. Very independent. They used to close your bottles for you. It's sleepy. After you're done, I'm gonna wrap you up. Okay. Nothing's in there. No. Got a little bit left. There's nothing in there. You're sucking on air. Can I get the formula? Ooh. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. Hold on a minute. There's nothing in there. Let me see if I can get another bottle. Come here.